I'm willing to bet you're a lot like most of my clients. You're looking for a home in a community, neighborhood setting, move-in ready, with the convenience of shopping nearby. Did I just describe what you're looking for? If so, you're gonna love my new listing at 1572 5th Street in Hood River. Living in Hood River offers a unique blend of small-town charm and outdoor adventure. Nestled in the Columbia River Gorge, this vibrant community is renowned for its world-class windsurfing, stunning hiking trails, and a thriving local food and art scene. This home's neighborhood embodies the Hood River lifestyle with beautiful nearby parks and walking paths perfect for enjoying the scenic surroundings. Just behind the home is the Horizon Christian School, making school drop-offs a breeze. Plus, with nearby shopping centers, everything you need is just minutes away. 1572 5th Street is situated in a prime location, offering the perfect blend of community and convenience. Step inside and feel the warmth of natural light flooding through the windows. The gorgeous hardwood floors and open floor plan make this space perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. You'll love spending time in this kitchen. With granite countertops, beautiful cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances, meal prep becomes a joy. It's stylish and functional. Each bedroom is spacious and cozy, offering plenty of storage for all your needs. And there's a den that's perfect for a home office, a workout room, or an extra guest room. Eco-friendly touches like solar panels and a central vac system make living here a breeze. Take my word for it, this is one that if you sleep on it, chances are you won't sleep in it.